What's going on? Today's episode, we are replacing a throttle position sensor. Seemed to went out on this car. It was having a code P02111, I believe. And that indicates that this was faulty. It wasn't getting any kind of signal from the pedal. So it pretty much put itself in limp mode. Ordered one of these, gonna replace it. First, you're gonna disconnect that battery. And there's a flathead to remove this air intake. And it's 4 8mm bolts. Said it's supposed to idle for about 5 minutes. Yes, sir.